those? You sure you don't have a stuffed animal like that?
I think
I think you do. Looks just like that with the big red pouch, remember?
Do we get
Remember
up
the
on the
black
bed,
birdie
please?
that you have?
I have one with blue and not red.
Does Elijah have one like that?
Maybe.
You remember? See? See what he looks like?
Yeah. I don't remember.
Oh, really? Where do you see the next one? Look, he's got that big red pouch on the front.
Yeah.
You see? It's a real birdie. It's not just fake.
Not.
No? Watch, keep watching. Wait, watch what it does.
Daddy, Tinkerbell's all around us, but she's small.
Wait, look at those ones. Oh,
What are those? Does that one look familiar?
Yeah.
What is it?
it's a blue.
Footed booby.
That's right. It sure is.
And they already hatched.
They did already hatch, huh?
Oh, they're so
The blue-footed boobies.
blue.